All right, guys, it is day 5 of our story, A Place to Play. All right, we're going to build some words with the long I that's spelled with our letter Y. Are you ready? Sound out that first word. He's got a blend. Ready? Let's sound it out together. I, try. Watch me change the t to k, so it will make it be cr. Ready? What's our new word? Good, cry. All right, now we're going to change the k to. Ready? What's our new word? Fry. All right, this time we're going to change the middle sound. We're going to change the R to an ul. Ready? What's our new word? Fly. Good. All right, now we're going to change the to a s. So we're marking out the and changing it to s. What's our new word? Sly. Sly means that you're sneaky. All right, now we're changing the middle sound again. We're going to change the ul to k. Ready? What's our new word? Good. Sky. All right, today we get to read our story. The building on these pages is called a community center. What are the people doing there? We have someone who's carrying some material maybe to build something. Someone who's moving some plants. He's also moving a big tree with his truck. And then she's putting some plants in the ground. They are planting trees and they're fixing the yard. They're making it look beautiful. Are the people still working on this place, or are they done? They're still working. They're finishing up. We can tell they're still working because there's lots going on. You can tell they're doing different jobs, aren't they? All right, let's listen to our story. This will be a fun day, Benny said to Molly. Nai can take us to see where Mom and Dad are working. I spy Dad and Mom, said Benny. What are you doing? We are planting things. This sunny spot is good for growing plants, said Dad. How does the author show that the community center is not finished? Good, it shows that their parents are finishing working on it, aren't they? They're planting and watering the flowers, so we know they're not quite done. It is muddy in that spot, said Benny. Let us go inside, said Nene. Who is Nene, or Nai? Good as their grandma. They call her Nai. And Molly found the mud puddle, and Benny said it was too messy. It was time to go inside. Here is a place for meetings, said Mom. Look, Benny, there is Miss Torres. Hi, Benny, said Miss Torres. I grew up in this neighborhood, so I wanted to help. What do Benny and Molly do after they find their mom and dad? They get into a yucky mud puddle, that's right. What does Miss Torres mean when she says she grew up in the neighborhood? Yeah, when she was Benny's age, she lived in the same place they live now. This is a place for art, said Mom. Look at the wall with nothing on it. Now look at the wall next to it. That wall looks like my neighborhood, said Benny. I see people working and playing under a blue sky. I know that the words playing and working are opposites. Opposites are called antonyms. Say antonym. What word on page 27 is the antonym of the word ground? What's the opposite of the ground? Good, the sky is the opposite of the ground. And on page 26, what is the antonym of far away? What is the antonym for far away? Maybe next to it. It's close. Good. Do you like it? Asked Mr. Gray. Benny said, yes, I hope it stays there always. This will become a place to watch plays, said Dad. Look, there is Mr. Jackson, said Mom. He lives by us, too. What is the first thing that happens on these pages? Good. Benny and Mr. Gray are talking. What happens next? Good, they go and they find Mr. Jackson working on the set on the stage? What would someone have to do so Mr. Gray's art wouldn't always be there? They'd have to wash it off, or they'd have to paint over it, wouldn't they? Good. People from the neighborhood came together to work on everything in this place, Mom said. Benny saw a boy who seemed a little shy. Do you like to play ball? Benny asked. Go check out this next one, said Dad. I will slide down, Benny said. Mom and Molly went up in the tower. They are lucky, said Nai. I wish I had a place like this when I was a kid. See the sunset? Mom asked. Dad said, it is time to go home. I like this place, said Benny. It is a good place for all of us. What is the last thing the family sees before they go home? Good, they see the sunset. All right, realistic fiction is a made-up story that could happen in real life. So this story isn't about real people, but it could be. Good readers read for a purpose. They have a reason for reading. Setting a purpose helps us to think and understand more as we read. When readers want to understand or remember what they read, they think about the most important parts. So let's look at this picture. What's happening? The dog is running and the dog bumped the table, and so the table is falling over. What do you think this picture is mostly about? The dog is running and he's knocking stuff over. Good. As I read A Place to Play, I paid attention, to what the story is about and the most important things that happen. All right, let's look back and write. Let's look back at page 23. Why would a sunny spot be good for growing plants? Good, a sunny spot is good for plants because plants need sunshine to live. All right, we've been talking about action verbs. A verb is something that someone or something does. The dog eats. What's my action verb? Good, eats. Who is doing the action? The dog. The dog is our noun in that sentence. A verb tells what someone or something does. Many verbs show action, and we call them action verbs. All right, let's look at our sight words. My turn and then your turn. Ready? Things. Always. Become. Stays. Day. Nothing. Everything. All right, let's see which word makes sense in our sentence. She can see blank when she is up in the tower. What would she be able to see? Good. Everything. This past fall, blank grew on my peach tree. Nothing. Now we make blank with small sticks at camp. What's something we could make with sticks? What about things? We can always take a bus home on that blank. Good day. When the boy is at camp, his pet blank at home. What does your pet do if you go to school? Do they come with you or do they? Good. His pet stays at home. Last one. We will blank become. I just gave you the answer. We will blank better readers every day. We will become better readers every day. Good. All right. Time to get out your green folder. I don't think we're going to do our tap-it boards today, but let's look at our green folder. All right. What are they doing? So we're going to do our look back and write. This is the page that we normally do on the back of our test, and we normally do it together. So let's see. We talked about why plants were important. Why was it important that they be in a place where they could get sunshine? So I'm going to write plants need, I'm going to say to, remember that's a T, be in sunlight. Remember, our T's look silly when they're on our dotted lines. To grow. So I want you to draw a picture about a plant growing. So in my picture, I might have, well, I definitely need the sunshine, right? I'm going to make my sunshine yellow and bright, shining on my plants. My sunshine. And I'm going to need some grass. My grass is green. I'm going to have some grass, maybe over here, for my plants to grow in. And I'm going to need my plants to have some dirt, like in our picture. They had some dirt. And I think I'm going to do flowers in mine. I'm going to have a red flower. And a purple flower. And an orange flower. You can do yours however you want. It does not have to look like Miss Wooley's. If you want to draw maybe a friend playing, so I could have a little girl. And you can draw however you want. Maybe she's playing in the yard with her flowers that are growing because they're in the sunshine. However you want to draw your picture. Alright, when you're done with that, make sure you've done those other pages that we've done in the past. This back page where you're drawing, you're coloring the picture by the sight words. You've practiced reading your sight words. And you can go back and you can reread your stories for the week. That would be great practice. And then you can always check in Miss Wooley's folders to have any additional practice. Great job!